Hey. Um, it's Clinton here. I started this series of videos because a lot of people are wondering on how can I trade the market and make a lot of money out of it. Well, I can tell you that it's more of a strategy. More of a strategy. Don't mind the background there, the Skype thingy. Just listen to what I'm saying. We'll go into it soon. So a lot of people have been asking themselves, how can I get through the market and make a lot of money out of it? And I was like, no, you don't have to worry because now I'm making the videos. I'm making the videos and I want to make sure that everyone gets to get the right information. Now, the strategy that I use, I use the market maker strategy. It's simple, the price action strategy. It works in dynamics. It works in a structure format, in a pattern way. So you can't understand it if you don't understand how patterns work. A pattern is something that repeats itself over and over and over again. Well, even even when you want to master something, if you don't repeat it consecutively over and over again, I don't think you can master it. To master something, you have to repeat the same thing over and over and over again. So yeah. As I was saying, um, I want to create these videos for every one of you to make sure that you get the right information. I wish they help you. I wish they help you. I wish they help you. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So this is my trading platform. This is my trading platform, and I would really want to start and I explaining to people what does this mean as a trader. Well, you need to understand that as a trader, you need to have this is called an MT4, an MT4 platform. This is where you trade and make your money. Without this, there is no trading. Without this, there is no money. So you need to have these, as a trader, you need to have this format, MT4. So as you can see, I've opened my chart here, and this chart is for a 1 hour chart with a US 100. This is Nasdaq. Another name for it is Nasdaq. Yeah, US 100. So I want to zoom out. When I zoom out, you can see the patterns. You can see the patterns. You can see the patterns here. You can see the patterns here. You can see that the market went up here. Surely it's because of fundamentals, I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter because the strategy works perfectly, even if there are fundamentals. Here it went up again and then it bounced, it is coming back. I need you to understand something. The market doesn't go up and not come back. Every time it goes up, it's gonna come back. Every time it goes down, it's gonna come back up. Every time it goes up, it's gonna come back down. Every time it goes down, it goes up again. So now we're expecting the market to do what here? To do what here? To come back down. Now let's go back from here. Before the market came down, what happened? I want us to zoom in. We got double ups here as a form like an M formation. This is an M, and it formed another bounce here as if it is approaching the yellow line. Then it went down. It went down. Now let's go back to this side. Let's go back to this side. I think I see the M here, and I think I see the bounce here touching this yellow line. What do you think is going to happen here? The same thing is repeating itself over and over again, and this has repeated itself after the market went up. It went up here. It has went up here. It's repeating itself just like that, you know. So we need to understand this as traders, that no, we don't really need to know the inside information that we will never know. We can only trade these patterns. So I just wanted to introduce you to this strategy. It's called the market maker strategy. I'm going to explain everything from the start on how it works. I just wanted to show you and get your interest. If you want more videos of these, I will create more videos so that you people can get to know what the market maker strategy looks like. So I need you guys to let me know if you want more videos. You can comment on this video, or you can subscribe. Subscription means when I create a video, you will be alerted automatically. Or just leave a thumb up, like the video, and I will check my inboxes every day to see how people are responding, so that I can create more videos for people who wanna get the information. Thank you.